Hello, Serious Survivor here, and today we're going to do a product review on the Vont Ultimate Survival Kit. This kit consists of 2 flashlights, 2 headlamps, and 2 camping lanterns. All are LED powered and all put up a very good amount of light. The 2 flashlights are fully extendable so that you can widen or compress the beam. These are very sturdy devices and they're powered by AAA batteries. The camping lanterns are extendable, they pull upwards, and the light will automatically turn on when they pull. They're powered by 30 LEDs and they also take AAA batteries. The headlamp has 7 different modes that can be set. 4 of the modes are white light, the other 3 modes are red light. There's an SOS signal, flashing strobe lights, and the normal low, medium, and high settings. So let's take a look at these in action. We're going to go to the Wixom Habitat in Wixom, Michigan, and we're going to test these out. And here we're going to test out the light. We're going to do a field test on it. So we're going to begin. I'm going to hand it off to Johnny here. Pull it out. All right, this is the first setting. Just going to shine it out in the woods. I'm going to stand back a little bit so we can see the range of it here. Push it out to the second setting. And notice as you push it further and further, the light actually converges to where it becomes a square beam. Point it down at the floor. Notice how it becomes a square beam. All right, now Johnny, push it out further. Pull it back in. All right, so you got a nice circle, and it's not all, it's not totally dark out here yet, but you have a nice circle, and as you push it out, you can concentrate the beam into a square pattern. Push it all the way out. No, do it slow. Now, this is the headlamp. Press it again. Press it again. All right. Press it again. Press it again. Again. All right, now press it and hold it. Press it and hold it. And hold on. Hold it up so I can see. All right, now press it again. Now press it and hold it. All right, now press it again. 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 All right. Okay. Now slowly pull it up. So after testing the devices, I find that, in my opinion, they are a good buy for the price. They're about $40 on Amazon. There's a link in the description below. And if you're on a budget and don't want to spend hundreds of dollars on lighting, then this is an excellent choice as it's affordable and they seem to be sturdy and durable. They put off a good amount of light, and my favorite thing about them is they're powered by AAA batteries instead of some type of proprietary battery that you can only get in one location. So overall, I do recommend this kit. And don't forget, we'll be giving away 2 of these on the upcoming live stream. Thanks a lot for watching. For now, Serious Survivor, out.